Welcome to Rock DIY or Do It You. If you do it, then it's all you. These are some of the tools that you can use to help assist you in removing the center console. This is a small flat tip screwdriver that's bent at a 90-degree angle. I found this very helpful in removing the climate control unit. The numbers in green represent the sequence to remove each component of the console. To remove all of the components out of the console, you must remove the climate control unit first. It is on the bottom. There are no screws holding it in. The gear shift must be dropped all the way down to remove the unit from the center console. There are 4 prongs that hold it in that are represented by the 4 yellow arrows in the picture. The 2 screws represented by the red arrows must be removed to get the radio system out at a later point. The dash cover and vents with hazard and airbag lights must be removed first in order to get the 2 screws holding the top of the radio unit in. The only way to remove the climate control unit is to insert a thin screwdriver where the turquoise arrows are next to the climate control knobs. You will see a very small opening on the very outside edge of the knobs. This is where the screwdriver goes. You are not pushing on a detent or a release button. You are prying the unit out. I recommend using tape or a rag on the screwdriver to prevent cosmetic damage to the console. This panel is on top of the dash and must be removed in order to remove the 2 vents with the hazard and airbag light out of the console. The portion of the panel with the lip is facing the windshield. The front edge facing the driver must be pried up. It is difficult to pry up and you need to be a little aggressive. Once you get the front pried up, the rest will come out easily. This is a picture of the panel as seen from the outside of the vehicle looking through the windshield. The back edge of the vent portion of the console must be pulled forward to unlock it. It is held in place with 4 prongs as shown by the 4 yellow arrows. When pulling the vent portion, be careful not to pull on the frame of the dashboard that lines up with the back edge of the vent portion of the console. Do not remove the cable that's attached to the back side of the vents for the hazard and airbag lights. To remove the radio unit, the 2 screws represented by the 2 red arrows must be removed. Disconnect the cables and remove the radio unit. The cable connectors on the back side of the radio unit are all different sizes, so you can't really mix them up. To reinstall everything, the radio unit must go in first. Plug all the cables back in and then replace all 4 screws. The climate control unit and vents can be put in any order, but the vents must be put in before the dash panel goes on top of the dashboard. Ensure the cable is connected to the climate control unit before reinstalling. This picture shows all components removed from the console. Thanks for watching my video. I truly appreciate it. Hopefully the video was useful in your plans for a future DIY project. Please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks again.